Hello, welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mondeo. It's in lovely condition, finished in graphite grey, front parking sensors, alloy wheels. Rear park distance control too. As it says, really lovely condition. These have a huge boot. Gosh, you can fit a lot in there with a parcel shelf. And as you can see, seats are in lovely condition. Good spec, full electric windows, electric mirrors. So it's got cruise control. Start it up to 92,056 miles. We've got sync on this as well. Got satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, audio connectivity, mobile apps, climate control, 6-speed gearbox, centre armrest, USBs in there as well. There's just no wear on this car as well. It just does not feel or look like the mileage. It's in really lovely condition. At DJH we provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.